Okay, it is Monday, July 31st, 2023, and I just woke up to this. My downstairs Bryant Preferred is running without the compressor. Oh man, I'm about to go turn it off. I just figured I'd get a video before I did though. Yep, suction line's hot. So this is back-to-back summers now we've had problems with this thing. Alright, so I just want to shut it off. My guess is that it's a bad capacitor because basically it was doing the same thing our upstairs one did last year when the capacitor went out on it. So we got a tech coming out today around 4 p.m. so we'll see. I'll have an update at the end of this video, or have maybe more footage in this video if something other than a bad capacitor happens.
3 hours later.
So it was indeed a bad capacitor. He just changed it. And as you can see, it's back up and running.